This is Shweta. I am here to showcase our project. This is the cover page of our project showing the protagonist, Jennifer, in red t-shirt and also his dream bubbles which ultimately decide the course of his journey and hence justifies the name A Dreamt Reality. Now, that which connects you and me is the bridge of animation. It's a two-dimensional bridge and the steps that we have followed in creating the bridge is pre-production, production and post-production. Hi everyone, this is Shweta Ghosh. Hi everybody, this is Elena Datta.
This is Shomnath Paul.
I am Naseem Ali Siddiqui.
I am Rahul.
This is Sumanjit Adhikari.
Student of
Arena Animation Chaurangi and I am a part of Animation Pro course.
The pre-production is done by me, starting from the character designing to the storyboarding.
As for my participation in the project has been production part, the rigging of the characters,
interesting and
Coloring the thumbnails.
Compiling the thumbnails.
and changing it into a JPEG image,
I have also given the voiceover for the characters in the story.
which will be of use for the post-production, like doing the animatics and then the compiling of the videos and giving the final output.
So, here are the project details.
Basically, this project is about a little character, Jennifer, who scripts a theme for a semester project supposed to be submitted on the following day. The story deals with how Jennifer comes up with a story and all the hardships that he encounters. He previously submits some of his concepts which is repeatedly rejected by his teachers, but finally he is able to strike the extraordinary chords of his imagination and he comes up with a brilliant story and which is liked as well as approved by his teacher. The duration of the project is 45 days and there are 4 BGs used for that and the number of props is 6 and the total number of group members working for the project is also 6. As I mentioned before, the total time limit for our project was 45 days in which we took 15 days for pre-production, 20 days for production and 10 days for post-production. The work is divided in 3 main divisions, as in firstly we worked on the idea, the script writing and the storyboarding. Then we moved on to the rigging of the characters and coloring the thumbnails, the animation and the voiceover, and lastly editing and compositing for the project. And for budget, the budget is around 1 to 1.5 lakh as per requirement. This is our production flowchart which we have followed throughout the course of our project, and we can assure you that our project is almost flawless. Our resource collection has been mainly from books, magazines, internet and senior guides. The composition tools for our project, as in the pre-production part, we have hand-drawn sketches. For the production part, we have used Adobe Flash CS3 and CS4, Adobe Photoshop CS4. And for the post-production, we have used Adobe Premiere CS4 and SoundForge 8. The idea for our project has generated from a personal experience of pondering over a theme for our project, and the goal for the project has been to make a good 2D animation film. When looking at the storyline of our comedy genre, we feel that this film is going to appeal to a child as well as an adult, also the elderly. And the delivery media for our project is of course 2D animation.
This is Jenny.
This is the turnaround of the character Jenny.
And this is the expression sheet of the character.
This is our genius Genie sir, or Arnold Dazzle.
He has a special appearance of genie.
This is our third character, Intrilo Gusto. His special appearance in the story as Kovian Venovi.
According to the script, our project has 4 BGs. Our backgrounds and universe are mainly real life based, and it is designed to uplift the scene quality. Our backgrounds and universe are real life based. It depicts the city as we see from the bus stop scene. The scene comes just before Zenith gets the first idea about his project. The idea is pollution. So of course it had to be a city, and the buildings show exactly that. Then we have a classroom. It is a noisy classroom with children playing and all. And the graveyard scene, which comes in Jenny's dream. And the 4th one as we see is Jenny's room itself. During the making of our project, what we have actually learned is to implement our ideas from theoretical knowledge, and most importantly how to work as a team, and what it feels like to work in a studio environment. It's a great honor to be a part of this project.
It's a fantastic opportunity.
all the guides
And to all my group members,
Without whom this project wouldn't have been as good as it is now. It feels great
thanks to
Arena Animation Toronto.
wishing to have a good project.